Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix verification failed. There was an error connecting to Apple ID server. So guys, when you have login your Apple ID on your iPhone or on your iPad, as you can see here, and facing this type of issue again and again and not be able to log in your Apple ID on your iOS device, so guys, you can easily fix this problem and you can easily log in your Apple ID without any interruption. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your settings here again. After this you have to turn on your Wi-Fi connection, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network on your device. And after doing this you have to go back. After this you have to scroll it down, click on general, and from here you have to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After this you need to go back, click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically, and now you have to go back. Click on language and region, and guys you need to select your region according to your country. And after doing this you have to go back and click on screen time, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to turn off all the restrictions on your iPhone. And after doing all these settings you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to click on general and you need to click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. Simply you have to download and install that latest version, and after this you need to click on sign in to your iPhone, and here you need to write your Gmail address in which you have make your Apple ID. And guys, now you have to wait for some seconds, and here you need to enter your password. So guys, now we will check that our problem has been fixed or not. As you can see here, my problem has been fixed, and now I am going to sign in my Apple ID on my iPhone without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.